wanna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when
We are just heading home from an absolutely amazing event that we just attended, and it's actually put on by my family. It is my cousins and that side of the family who own a meat processing plant in Elizabeth, Colorado. It's called Elizabeth Locker Plant, and this is their second annual meat in day. And what they did is they went ahead and they served pulled pork, hamburgers, brats, and hot dogs, and it is a free event for the entire public to go ahead and come to, and we just serve free food all day along with baked beans and coleslaw. So we were excited to be able to help my family put on this event, and we just went and helped serve food. And it was a great day. The kids served, Luke helped, and I helped as well. So we're going to show you guys some clips of footage that we had from the event. We had a really great turnout. I think we had about 3,000 people come, and I am just proud to say that my cousins did a great job putting on this event, and thank you to Elizabeth Locker Plant for putting on the event as well.
We can boil it down to one thing: eat beef. Some of you may not have been here last year for the first annual. They're going to lead us in the Pledge of Allegiance. One nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You made it. Great turnout today, guys. I really appreciate everybody coming out. Just want to thank all the volunteers and everybody that helped get this together. I mean, it doesn't happen overnight. Enjoy the day, guys. Eat beef and go America.
Oh yeah. Got to document it. Nice job, guys.
Again, and we are very excited. It's been about 3 weeks since we got the baby turkeys, right? We have now just received notice. This morning we got the phone call that our baby ducks just arrived. So we are here at the post office getting ready to get our baby ducks, and we are so excited. We've never had baby ducks before, so we've got to get home, get them set up, and get them all going. You guys excited?
Yes.
All right. Let's go get him.
Okay.
All right, here we go. All right, we just picked him up. You guys can hear him. So should we open it?
Oh, they're yellow. They're so cute, huh?
Hi, guys.
Oh, Simmons.
There should be. Oh, look at their little wings.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ring, ring.
So we got 3 of their called golden layers, and that's this one. And then this one, they're just the white egg layers. And we're getting these mainly for eggs. Because Luke has found out he is sensitive to eggs, chicken eggs actually, and so is Lincoln.
Yeah.
And we found out from a friend that some people can eat duck eggs if they're sensitive to chicken eggs. And we used some of their duck eggs and found out Luke couldn't eat them and Lincoln can eat them. So now we have ducks, so we can have our own duck eggs. I think.
Like that one, she's sitting there staring at me. Oh, you like me. So fluffy.
Hi guys. Oh, they're so soft.
And they like being pet too.
So we're gonna get them home and get them settled. Oh, don't do that. Let me get a picture.
Wait.
We have everyone settled, and we're actually using the stock tank that we had these guys in. These guys are almost ready to go outside. They almost have all their feathers. This one right here is a Polish chicken, and we've got another one right there. So they're a little younger than the rest that are in this pen, but we're actually getting ready to get these guys outside. And we have moved our turkeys to the bigger, this is an old dog kennel, but we've moved them. And they're getting super big too and getting a lot of their feathers in as well. Hi guys. But back over here we have our ducklings all set up. They are all hens. I ordered all hens, and we ordered them once again from Meyer Hatchery. And we're gonna be using them for duck eggs. So we're excited to have them. And what I've set up here is this is actually a plastic paint tray with some of the things that you bring in that you can roll your roller brush on to clean off. And I saw this on a YouTube video, but you set this up in their pen and you set this trough up that has water in it over it. And because ducklings love to play in water, they make such a mess. But I learned from another YouTuber that if you put it over a paint tray, the paint tray catches all the water that they splash everywhere, and then their bedding doesn't get to be so messy. But that is one thing we have heard about ducklings, is they are super, super messy because they love to play in their water. We are loving these guys. They're super cute.
Hey guys.